welcome to Bollywood Babble Live. There was a little network error, which is why we are 2 minutes, 3 minutes late. Yeah. We're going to be connecting to Hriday Gattani today and talk about a lot of things. Hello.
Hi. Hello. How
How
are
are you
you?
doing? How are you doing?
Very, very good. How are you?
All well. So first of all, I'm going to open with two Zinda looks so much fun. There's mountains and beaches, both of my favorites in the video. Tell me how
Mine
this
too.
happened.
Mine too. I'm like a I'm a beach baby. So I love the water and yeah, I love the wind. So I love the mountains too. I can never make a choice. But yeah, it's actually pretty cool that I had gone to Italy 2 years
Hmm.
ago, and we had planned to shoot this whole video there. And it was a smaller crew, actually, very small crew. It was just my parents, and you know, uh, we made this
Are you
happen. I think,
serious?
yeah, yeah. It was a very impromptu situation because we were going to Italy, and I thought, why not shoot one of my videos here, and it'll be really surreal. And I think it turned out pretty cool. I didn't expect it to turn out this well, but yeah, it's been great.
Yeah, but like you just said that you're bring it to us. Well, it takes a lot.
Sorry, I
Can you
couldn't
hear
hear you.
me?
Hello?
Can you hear me now?
I can. Now I can.
Can you hear me now?
Now I can. Yes.
Now can you? So like you just said that you shot this video 2 years ago, right? Why did it take you 2 years to bring it to us?
I mean, we had a plan with all the songs that we were going to release, and every song. I mean, because I had a lot of content that I've been working on since the past few years, actually, not just two, like 5 years probably, and I wanted all of that to come to light. So I needed to space it out correctly, and I got a team to help me, strategize on which song would be better to release first.
Hmm. So since now that we all know that the lockdown has been extended till the third,
Yes.
so how are you planning on spending your time now? Because जो गया दिन वो तो गया, अभी आगे क्या?
I think I've been spending my time in this lockdown and will be spending my time in this lockdown the way I spend time on a normal day also, to be very honest. Because I'm always social distancing. I'm a studio, locked up in a studio type of guy. So even when I'm working here or in Chennai with Rahman sir, I'm always 24/7 in the studio. And the few hours that we get, we go and sleep and come back, sort of a thing. So I'm very used to this lifestyle. Therefore, it's not bothering me as much. And I'm going to continue doing that because I'm working from home. I've got my studio set up at home right now. So fortunately, I'm going to be working. But other than that, it's fun. Like I mean, obviously catching up and spending time with family, which everybody doesn't get really a chance to do on their when they're busy with their daily life. So that's one great thing. Uh, and yeah, I'm getting fat. That's what I'm doing to this point.
That's all we are all worried about.
Yeah, there was this really funny video I saw on WhatsApp or something where after the quarantine gets over, this guy was woken up by his wife and said, "अच्छा चलो अभी घर, I mean अभी काम पे जाओ." So he got up and he started doing jhadu, and she's like, "ये मेरा काम है." I found that extremely funny. Grounds have
It
shifted
is.
literally.
It
Uh,
definitely has. So like you just said, बंदा उठ के झाड़ू मारने लग जाता है in the joke. What are you doing at home? Have you put your hands up in some activities, home activities?
See, I'm incapable of helping my mother. She'll kill me if I try also. But
Hmm.
yeah, I mean, I've been helping with making those visits to get the groceries, and I think I tried cooking one meal where like I was trying to make something interesting for my parents, and I ruined it. And then from then on, I was banned from the kitchen. So yeah, I think that's about it. I can't do much more. But yeah, definitely, I think like we're all doing this together and getting through this time, which is the best part. And it's like great time for being with your family and getting to know them again, and connecting with them. So it's brilliant.
Absolutely, absolutely. So Hriday, tell me. So we Indians, I don't not only in India, I'm sure Bahar bhi, people usually when they read your name out,
Huh.
तो
Oh my God.
गलतियां तो करते ही है नाम की तो बैंड बजा देते. So you want to tell us कौन से आपने तरीके सुने अपने नाम के, which ways have you heard your name?
I have an uncle in Canada who spells my name very interestingly. He says it normally. He says Hriday, but
Yeah.
he spells it as Hrithey, like Hriday.
Hriday.
Then I had a English teacher in school who was from not school. This was in this thing in 11th, 12th in an IB school, where she said my name as Iwijai. So I was like,
Ah.
Iwijai. Yeah, that was interesting. Then I've heard a lot of Hariday, Ruday,
Hriday.
uh, Ruday. But in Maharashtra, to be honest, like Hriday is Ruday. So a lot of people here call me Ruday. Then yeah, I think that's about it, and a lot of other funny ones. But yeah, just these are the ones that come to my mind immediately.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so tell me now that we're all locked down because of course it's a pandemic and हमें रहना है घर पे to in terms of keeping others and ourselves safe.
Correct.
But have you ever come in a situation in life before कि आपको इस तरह ही अपनी life रोकनी पड़ी for some reasons or never?
I mean, in a way, we kind of have. Just the city has, in a way, and I think a lot of people in a way have. But for me, I this happened. I think during the 26/11 attacks, when we were all obviously bound to our homes and worried for the entire nation and stuck glued to the television. Um but yeah, those were really dreadful times, and it was very hard, but Bombay always has a way to bounce back, so that's beautiful. uh, but obviously that's no example to what this is a very, very different situation, and I feel like this has to be treated in a very, very different and hopeful way also, because all you can do in this entire time is try to work on yourself and make yourself better, and try and think of what has gone wrong in all these years to cause such a thing to happen, or what we're leaving behind for our children, or what we are doing to humanity. So these are great questions that I think everybody should be asking themselves in a situation like
Absolutely.
this.
Absolutely. So we, all of us, like including you and I, we are all good babies of the country. That is why we are at home and not,
Yes.
kind of being by the rules. But
Yeah.
there are still some, कहते हैं ना कि हर जगह कोई ना कोई शैतान तो होता ही है. So there are still some people who are like roaming around. मुझे तो कुछ नहीं होगा. Let's chill. So what would you say to them if they are by any chance watching this?
Yeah, I we've been obviously talking about this very often, even at home. कि
Yeah.
क्या क्यों लोग बाहर निकलते हैं अपने घरों से, and why can't they stay at home, and why can't they be at home, and what is the problem, what is the core issue? I feel we have a very, very large, vast population with where a lot of the population is below the menial wage line, and वहाँ बहुत difficult हो जाता है ऐसे चीजों को control करने में, because people are living in homes where they're living with 6 to 7 people in one room, and after a point of time it gets claustrophobic and difficult to live in just that confined space for a very long time amount of time. So I understand their plight and how they are feeling, but ये the time is also so unique कि इसके लिए कोई solution नहीं है, इसके लिए कुछ कहना नहीं है, इसके लिए I think बस सोचना है हर individual को कि what am I doing to make it comfortable for my community or the people around me, to be mentally and physically healthy through this situation. So I think each and every person has a very unique way of dealing with it. You can't really have one answer कि नहीं नहीं घर पे ही बैठना है. Of course, definitely घर पे ही बैठना है, but it has to be handled in a very intelligent way, in an intelligent manner, and I think that's extremely important. पर the way things are going right now, I think one of the biggest master strokes is this lockdown, because हमने इस डिजीज को कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश की है right at the beginning, and we try to contain it to smaller amounts. तो और वो बहुत सारे कंट्रीज नहीं कर पाए, और एंड दे आर स्ट्रगलिंग विद इट राइट नाउ. सो आई थिंक वो रिस्पेक्ट करना, वो बात रिस्पेक्ट करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सबको. I think that's most important.
Absolutely. So before I head to another question, I'm going to read out this comment by Goyal Pooja, who says, "यार ये क्या बात हुई, ये दोनों खुद ही लगे हुए हैं, लोगों की सुन ही नहीं रहे हैं, तो let's just scroll to."
Okay, I'm going to scroll. I'm going to scroll.
And
Sorry,
let's
Goyal,
give a shout
sorry.
out.
Hi to everyone. अरे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, but we will. Yashveer Chauhan is saying, he's laughing. Sapphire says hello, hello, Sapphire. Artin, hello. Fasile Adonis, hello. I'm guessing you're French. I don't know. Muntaz says hi, hi Muntaz. Hi Arman, how are you? Pramesh says hello. Saji says hi. मेहरब कह रहे हैं कि ये तो अंग्रेजी में बात कर रहे हैं. सॉरी, मैं माफी चाहता हूँ, मैं अभी हिंदी में बात करूंगा. सॉरी. देन अखिल रैना सेज हे बे, नॉट लाइक वो महाराष्ट्र वाला बे, बट BAE, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर टाइप का भी.
There's Bindu Kumar saying, there's Bindu Kumari saying, so glad you decided to release the song during this time.
I mean, yeah, I'm glad too that I took that decision, because I said how else can I lift my own spirits up, is so I like put myself into something that I want to do, you know. Arushi says hi Arushi. Sandeep says hi. Thank you Arushi. She says, you know, new song is amazing. Usap Sharma says, give me
Fasail loves your hat.
Loves my hat. Thank you so much. I put it on to be. I'll tell you why I put it on. To be very honest, my hair is a mess. Like इतने लंबे हो गए मेरे बाल, बहुत लंबे हो गए.
मुझे लगा बहुत धूप आ रही होगी घर पे.
वही मैं सोचा था कि मैं हैट पहनूंगा, लोग सोचेंगे ये क्या पागल हो गया है, घर पे हैट पहन रहा है.
It's okay. Quarantine has made everyone crazy anyway.
I can imagine. Shai Somi says, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Brilliant, yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining us at this live.
Right. So now tell me, I'll come back to my question, since there were a lot of shout outs now and they're going to be going on. So guys, everybody, he loves you. Anyway, so tell me, if this lockdown happens to keep extending for a little more while, what are the plans that you have in the back of your head? How would you kind of manage life? What are you going to do?
I think for my profession, to be very honest, ये काफी in a way, you know, we should be very happy and fortunate कि हमारा प्रोफेशन जो है वो सस्टेन कर पा रहा है because of social media and digital media. पर बहुत सारे प्रोफेशंस हैं जो, you know, जो they're in dire straits, बहुत ही तकलीफ में और मुश्किल में है वो, because they're not being able to go to their offices or their factories and start up their, you know, physical working sort of a situation. Work from home सबके लिए possible नहीं होता, but we are very fortunate कि मैं घर से काम कर सकता हूँ. So I am going to be doing that definitely, and people to try and do that. Try thing that you can do from home, क्योंकि अभी ऐसा you know, ऐसा माहौल है जहाँ पे you have to find alternatives. आपको alternatives ढूंढने पड़ेंगे कि मैं अपने बिजनेस को डिजिटली कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकूं. कि आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स हु आर रनिंग बिजनेसेस, रनिंग स्टार्टअप्स, एंड दे आर लुकिंग एट अल्टरनेटिव्स, और वो सोच रहे कि हम कैसे हमारे बिजनेस मॉडल को चेंज कर सके और ये सिचुएशन में स्ट्राइव कर सके. तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आई थिंक.
So, is there anything else that you're going to surprise us with in this quarantine time, whatever?
हाँ जी, वेरी मच. इनफैक्ट एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग गाना आने वाला है ऑन द 1st of the क्या मंथ है? I don't know what month it is also.
It's April.
we're in April, right? We're in April, correct. So 1st of May, 1st of May को एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग गाना आने वाला है जो काफी अलग रहेगा मेरे बाकी गानों से. If anyone here is a ghazal fan or slightly more light classical fan, तो वो उस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा वो गाना. एंड मेरे लिए भी काफी नई composition or style है वो, तो I'm very excited to share it with you all.
So when it comes to music also obviously has different genres. जैसे मूवी के different genres होते हैं, डांस के होते हैं. तो आपका favorite genre क्या है सुनने के लिए and दूसरा perform करने के लिए? Is it the same?
I think नहीं. सुनने के लिए I think I like more like soft, acoustic, soulful music, ballads, love songs. But जब मैं गाने जाता हूँ स्टेज पे, I like to perform more energetic songs and like really upbeat songs, क्योंकि स्टेज का एक एनर्जी अलग होता है, तो you kind of have to really go out there and be energetic. पर जब घर बैठे आप लाइव कर रहे हो तो it's like another vibe, एक माहौल बनाना पड़ता है, and you're just like singing some soothing, soulful songs.
So now that we've managed to have you on our live, आज तो हो जाए, एक दो लाइन सुनाई दो हमें.
Definitely, मैं कुछ गाऊंगा I think मेरे ये नए गाने से, तू जिंदा.
जी जी.
ओ जिंदगी जीता तो है पर कुछ तो है कमी, रास्ते भी है मगर तुझ पे बर्फ है जमी, हुआ है तेरे सामने पर प्यास नहीं, यूं ही तू ठहरा रहा फिर तू नहीं. ऐ ज़मीं फैली हुई और खुला आसमां, तू नहीं तो क्यों है फिर ये जहां जिंदा. तोड़ जा तू जिंदा हो, तू जिंदा हो. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That was so nice. I'm sure once the lockdown and coronavirus goes on, you're all going to look at each other and say, "Tu zinda, tu zinda." It's going to be so much fun. But it's so beautifully done, and it's said that you can cage the animals, you can cage the humans, you can never cage art.
Exactly, and I think also you can never cage inner जो एक एक उम्मीद, I mean not उम्मीद, but एक चीज होती है that you want to do all your life, that you can never cage. वो if you try and overcome all your fears, आप उसको पा सकते हो जो भी चाहो आप. So I think this song is also about that. So break free and let loose and break your inhibitions and go get your ambitions. That's the song. That's what it's about.
So before taking a lot of your time, lastly, what would you want to say to the people who have been showering so much love to your song and are looking forward to the new ones?
I'd just like to say that stay safe, stay at home, try and be productive, and I think also try and look out for each other, because this is a time where एक दूसरे का ख्याल करना बहुत जरूरी है इस समय में, क्योंकि humans are all we've got. हम एक दूसरे को ही आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. So that's one thing. I'll take one last request because I think a lot of people are saying you've not sung my song, you've not sung my song. So I'm going to take one last request
Let's do that. Yeah,
and
let's do that.
sing it. Any song you guys suggest. Somebody had suggested a song before I joined the live. Actually, they sent me a DM saying sing Barish from Half Girlfriend. So if
Chalega.
everyone's
Let's
if
get
everyone's
that.
okay with it, we
Yeah.
can do that.
Yay!
ठीक है.
Yes.
मैं lyrics ढूंढने वाला हूँ because I'm so bad at lyrics कि
Okay, so meanwhile, let's give a shout out to Goyal Pooja. She has been very consistent on this live, and it seems like she really loves you.
Thank you so much, Pooja Goyal. Very, very sweet and kind of you. And I'm, really happy that you came on our live today and shared so much love. Thank you so much.
Yay! I hope that makes you happy, Pooja.
Oh.
That's for Pooja. Yeah.
Where am I? Let's do this.
Yeah.
Oh, चेहरे में तेरे खुद को मैं ढूंढूं आंखों के दरमियां तो अब है इस तरह ख्वाबों को भी जगह ना मिले ये मौसम की बारिश ये बारिश का पानी ये पानी की बूंदे तुझे ही तो ढूंढे ये मिलने की ख्वाहिश ये ख्वाहिश पुरानी ओ पूरी तुझी से तेरी जिंदगानी हो कभी तुझ में उतरूं तो सांसों से गुजरूं तो आए दिल को राहत मैं हूँ बेठिकाना पना मुझको पाना है तुझे दे इजाजत ना कोई दरमिया हम दोनों हैं यहाँ फिर क्यों है तू बता फासले ये मौसम की बारिश ये बारिश का पानी ये पानी की बूंद तुझी ही तो ढूंढे मिलने की ख्वाहिश ये ख्वाहिश पुरानी हो पूरी तुझी से मेरी ये कहानी
Woohoo!
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.
Can we just pretend that there are like 100 people clapping here because it's just the two of us in this? But it was so sweet of you to kind of fulfill your fans' wish here. It was so
Always,
sweet,
always.
so sweet. Sapphire
Anytime.
says that was my request. That was my request. So thank you, Sapphire.
Thank you, Payal. Thanks a lot.
So on that note, thank you so much for speaking to us today. We hope that we
Thank
get
you
to
for
see you
having me.
soon.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much for having me, and I had a blast chatting with you. And see you soon. Take care.
See you
you
soon.
guys.
Take care. Stay safe. So, guys, that was there with us. I hope you liked the conversation. And today I'm going to go through a little more comments because I read something really sweet for Bubble. Bollywood Bubble is so consistent. Great to see the variety of artists you bring here on live. Thank you so much, Ambedkar. We will keep doing this for you guys. And I hope आप लोग को ये videos अच्छे लगते हैं क्योंकि हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं to bring you some content. Meanwhile, stay hooked on to Bollywood Bubble and also do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is Bollywood Bubble, of course. Meanwhile, stay home, stay safe, and Goyal Pooja. See you soon. I'll try to bring Soumya. Bye bye.